It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 14th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's historic dry spell continues. We're looking for rain. A cold front will arrive late Friday night and Saturday morning. Could that break the dry spell? Let's go in there and take a look at things early this morning. That's the water vapor satellite view. A little shortwave is passing through the state today. You can see that broad axis just west of here, but the air is dry, and that's not going to produce any rain. Smoke is an issue. This is the HRRR product involving surface smoke. And again, it's got evidence of smoky conditions over about the northern half of the state. And understand, the smoke is not coming from fires in our state, at least the majority of the smoke. There's the big fires over at North Georgia, the Carolinas, and East Tennessee, advecting down in here from the northeast. Many people noticed that yesterday over North Alabama. Hey, cold this morning. I see freezing at Fort Payne. Our man up at Black Creek, Vic Bell, has 29. Gadsden, 33. Low 40s for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Anniston. Now, we'll expect a high today around 70. Around the nation, I'd say temperatures are seasonal. That's the watch warning map. Things are relatively quiet as the day begins. And on the convective outlook, there's actually a chance of some thunder west of the state over Arkansas and the Mississippi Delta, but not here. And this certainly isn't very encouraging. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. The cold front will bring some rain to parts of North and West Alabama Friday night and Saturday morning, but the rest of the state prospects don't look good. And we'll take a look at the specifics on this, and we'll try and see where the rain stops with that front Saturday morning. But that's not going to break a drought. The Atlantic Basin is quiet. We might see a little action down in the Caribbean later in the week, but if anything forms down there, that would be moving northeast and not helping us with rain at all. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06C run, valid today at noon. You can see the broad trough rotating through here, a shortwave, but again, no moisture, no rain. Maybe some high clouds, and that's about it. The high will be around 70. Pretty much the same deal tomorrow. The high close to 70, the sky partly sunny. This is Wednesday. Low 70s are likely, and again, we're dry, mostly sunny. And this is Thursday. We're watching the western states. A big snowstorm cranks up over the Rockies. I mean, that's going to be a whopper of snow there. But for us, we're still dry. And Thursday, we're going to see temperatures warming up. In fact, I wonder if some spots might touch 80 Thursday afternoon because there's no soil moisture. That has a big impact on these afternoon temperatures. So a sunny and warm day. And this is Friday. Here comes our storm system. That's a blizzard for parts of the Dakotas. And again, a cold front trails that very deep surface low, 992 millibar low down through Oklahoma City and around Mineral Wells, Texas. There's not a whole lot of moisture with this thing. And then this is Saturday, and you can see that the front is just kind of a dead duck front. It comes through here, but there's not much moisture. But that does suggest a chance of showers late Friday night and Saturday morning. Let's look at the European. This is midnight Friday night, 12 a.m. Saturday. And again, it's got showers coming on into northwest Alabama. Come on now. That's going to break the dry spell for some. And then by Saturday morning at 6 o'clock, you can see it's got some light rain down to Interstate 20. Below that, nothing. And we just wonder, could it rain in Birmingham and break the dry spell Saturday morning? Very possible, but the discouraging thing is this is, in the overall scheme of things, this won't help anything really with a drought. And then after that, this is Sunday, we go into a very dry air mass. That's windy and should be turning sharply colder. In fact, the high Sunday will drop down into the 50s. Up in the Tennessee Valley, they might stay in the upper 40s all day, and that strong north wind is going to make it feel colder with a 1034 high coming in from the west. That'll be the coldest air so far this season. Look at the anomalies on Sunday. We're way below average. The entire eastern U.S. getting into some cold air as we start the week of Thanksgiving. And then this is Monday of next week, the 21st. Cool, dry air mass. We should start the day below freezing, and the high will be in the 50s. And that's suggesting a big snowstorm for New York State, down into Pennsylvania, West Virginia. if this verifies, with a very deep surface low. And again, that's awfully close to blizzard conditions for parts of upstate New York, if that were to verify. Okay, this is the end of the forecast period. And guess what this is? This is the busiest travel day of the year, the day before Thanksgiving. Wow, hard to believe we're talking this already. Big trough in the western states, a short wave over Iowa, and the sensible weather looks like this. If this were to verify, and understand this is voodoo land, we're still dry. This is suggesting perhaps some rain for Chicago and Milwaukee and Detroit and Cleveland. And that, obviously, you'll be watching the airport conditions, just something to think about. And again, this will change. It's 10 days out. And then again, snow in the west. A lot of snow if this verifies, and rain for places maybe like Los Angeles. But down here, we just can't buy a drop. In fact, this is the rain output for the next 10 days off the GFS. And again, Georgia with nothing. Alabama with hope for that cold front Friday night and Saturday, Friday night and Saturday morning. But again, it's not going to be a lot. We're still optimistic for December. European ensemble, a lot of red in the top chart. That's some good rain amounts, and the ensemble mean at the bottom, over 5 inches of rain through Christmas. Let's hope that verifies. One more chart for you. This is the Arctic Oscillation off the GFS ensemble, and it goes pretty strongly negative out there late this month, and this is suggesting cold air. Just wonder if December might be an interesting month with the AO going strongly negative and the precipitation machine coming back. We'll see. Numbers, look at the cool down this weekend. Highs dropping in the 50s and lows down around freezing by Sunday and Monday of next week, as that's the coldest air so far this season after that front. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.